Breaking news right now. New developments in the search for Lisa Irwin. Police are searching a lake right now near the family home. This is in the Northland. It is near I-35 and Choteau Trafficway. Here's a live look Sky Tracker over the scene. It apparently involves as well as FBI search dogs. Lindsay Shively is live on the ground with the latest. Lindsay.
Good afternoon, Curtis. We just watched as the search crews walked up and down the banks of this lake that's in Shamir Woods Park, just off of I-35 in Choteau. It's right across the street from that Target. You can see this lake when you drive by on the interstate. The dog that was with search crew members in a raft that was on the pond was making a very slow pass back and forth across the lake, all the way up and down. And the dog was at the very front of the raft. He was obviously seeing if he was smelling anything. And sometimes if it seemed like he did, he would make his way around the raft, be in the same spot while the raft was turning. It doesn't look like they have found anything right now, and that boat just got out of the water. But on the far end of this pond, closest to the interstate, there's a lot of heavy brush where this pond kind of looks like it goes into some kind of a creek. They have another crew on that side with another dog, and they are well into that brush right now. You can't really see where they are. Police have confirmed this is a part of the Lisa Irwin investigation. I have heard from some people that live around here that this is not the first time they've seen police here, but at least to our knowledge, it's the first time they've had search crews in the area, and at least to my knowledge, the furthest out that these searches have gone, we are at least a couple miles from their home, and the other searches, that big wooded area around the house, that was much closer to the Irwin home as well. So right now we're at I-35 and Choteau. The search is still going on. It's been going on for probably 45 minutes or so. We're going to stay here and keep you posted. The Live in the Northland, let's be Shively, NBC Action News.
Hey, Lindsay, did a tip lead them to this area, this park?
All we know so far is that they have confirmed that it's connected, Curtis.
Okay. And do you know if the parents are anywhere? Earlier, they were supposed to have a tour of their home. They were going to open it up to the media. Then they canceled that. They were going to have a news conference. Then they canceled that today. So what's the latest with the parents?
That's right. It makes people question whether or not these two things are connected, because the amount of time they happen so closely together. I do not see any other members of the family or any kind of cars other than law enforcement. They have a fire truck here, several patrol cars. So as far as we know, the family did not cancel today's interviews because of this search. And again, they're going to have some more next week. But yes, definitely raises questions.
Yeah, they had mentioned that they were exhausted, and that's the reason why they canceled the tour of the home as well as the news conference with the media. Let's go ahead and backtrack a little bit here. You had mentioned earlier that neighbors have said that this isn't the first time they've seen police in this area, but this is the biggest search that neighbors have seen. Do you know exactly when officers were in this park before?
The neighbor that I spoke to very briefly just mentioned that he had seen at least a few detectives as early as a week ago. So it wasn't like it just happened in the last few days to bring them back. He was actually curious why they would be here. His stance was, well, they were already here. Why are they back?
Yeah, all right. Well, we're going to keep an eye on this, obviously. Any new developments, Lindsay, just tell us and we'll go ahead and break into programming. But folks who are just tuning in, this is a live look from Sky Tracker. This is a park not too far from the Irwin home. In fact, this park is located in the 3700 block of Northeast 43rd Terrace. It's Shamir Park. It is not too far from Choteau Trafficway and Interstate 35. What you're looking at are officers, investigators, doing a search of this area. It is a search that is the farthest that we've seen from the Irwin home. Lindsay Shively is telling us that neighbors have also said that they've seen officers here before, but never a search to this magnitude. If anything happens in this latest development with the Irwin case, we will break into programming. But for now, we'll send it back to programming.